Welcome to ZEISS Vision Center, Pavilion Elite. First of all, my name is Paul. I'm responsible for ZEISS Vision Care in Malaysia. So again, welcome. Just have some small quiz for everyone. I believe most of you heard about ZEISS, or maybe Kau ZEISS. But you know typically how we pronounce in Malaysia? We pronounce as Kau ZEISS. That's how we learn Bahasa. So typically Malaysian name is Kau ZEISS. But of course the original name is ZEISS. It's a German brand. And have you ever heard about ZEISS? Probably some of you might seen it, might saw it, but you don't know where you discovered this. Let me share with you. Like I would say, most of us here, we have been using one brand of handphone before, which is Nokia. Yeah, we all from the era, and you know in Nokia, especially the N series, they all come with the ZEISS optics. And also there's two gentlemen like people using photographer, camera lens, and you know in Sony. SLR or DSLR, basically Sony is our ZEISS corporate partners for the camera lenses. In order to make a clear and comfortable eyeglasses, you need to have a precise fitting. And you can see from the video, we have one machine called Eye Terminal 2. Okay? But fortunately today here in ZEISS Vision Center Pavilion, we have a chance to preview our very new first unit in Malaysia, our VISUFIT 1000. And what's so special about this VISUFIT 1000? In the nutshell, I just can tell you this is a 180-degree 3D scanning machines of your entire face, just within a second. Right? And it's starting from 1 meter. If Z want to stand in front of 1 meter, he can. If he squat down or whatever. But it starts from 1 meter and all the way up to 2 meters. So even some people they come with wheelchair, we also able to take photos.
This is what you can see on the screen here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photo of him wearing the spectacles. So now you see that there is a blue light. So as he approaches, this blue light will actually turn to white to tell the distance whether is it a good distance or not a good distance. So if it's a good one, everything becomes white color. If it's too close, then you start to see orange color appearing. Right? So just need to position yourself until this is white color. So what I can see on my screen over here is this. This is what you can see it. Can you see a red color cross inside? Yes. So what he needs to do is just by looking at the red color cross, and I'm going to take a photo of him now. Okay, so it's done. So the photo is captured already. The photo is captured here already. Now, if this photo is okay, then I'm going to proceed with this. You notice that sometimes, like for his cases, the frame is very thick, right? So what this machine can actually do is it captures the position of where the eye is when wearing the frame. Because you know every pair of frames or every person, the face has a little bit different, and the position is very important. Lenses has an optical center, and that optical center must be well fitted to where your eyes is. Otherwise, the lenses you wear may not feel comfortable, especially if your power is very high. Okay? And besides that, this can also capture the curvature, the angle of the frames that you are wearing, and the position, whether the head position is up or down. So all this actually matters in terms of how we can manufacture a comfortable lens for you. You know, in the market there are two types of lenses. One is the standard lenses, whereby you will just need the power of your eyes, the short-sighted, the astigmatism, and so on. Then that lenses is considered as standard lenses. But there are certain lenses that require much more information for the lens manufacturing. So informations like the curvature of the frames, the distance between your eyes and the lenses, what are the distance there, and the angle of the lenses is important to manufacture a much more comfortable lenses. And you will feel the difference is normally when you make a new pair of glasses, the moment you put it on, you feel like it's not comfortable. I see something that is not so nice. So this is actually the lenses is standard lenses, or maybe the manufacturing parameter is not being provided, like with this one. So with this, we can actually know a lot of these details. And traditionally, with the older technology that measures this measurement, we will need to use a pair of clips like what you've seen in the video with the eye terminal 2. You need a clip with that one. But with VisuFit 1000, you don't need a clip. And the second thing is, even though this person have a very thick sight, the frame sight is very thick, from here we can see just a little bit of the eyes, but we can also take another photo with him without wearing the frames. Then we can actually have two images overlaid on top of each other just to get the perfect distance of the eye and the lenses. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat taking another photo of him without the frames. Okay, so